Alright, welcome to question 1. Which pairs of events describe dependent events? There's more than one correct answer choice. Select all correct answer choices. So if I didn't remember what a dependent event was, I would go up here to key terms, select that, click on dependent events. Two or more events where the possible outcomes of one event are affected by the outcome of the other events. So one affects the other. So then when we look at this, we're looking for one that's going to affect the other. So, rolling a standard 6-sided die and having it land on 4 and choosing a marble from a deck of from a jar. Rolling a 6-sided dice is not going to affect what happens with the marble. So choosing a class president from a class of 23 students and choosing a class treasurer from the remaining students in the class, that is dependent because you only have 23 students. You first select the president, and now your treasurer choices go down to 22, and you cannot have that same student be president and treasurer. Drawing a 3 from a deck of cards and not replacing it, and drawing a 4 from the same deck of cards, that is also dependent because you're not replacing it. So that means your options went from 52 on the first draw down to 51 on the second draw. Rolling a standard 6-sided die and having it land on a 3 and rolling a 6-sided die and having it land on a 2. Okay, so they're rolling a dice twice. Having it roll one time, you still have all of the numbers 1 through 6 on the first roll, and you still have all of the numbers 1 through 6 on the second roll. They didn't outlaw any of those numbers or put a limitation on that, so those ones are independent. And that's how I would go through and answer this question.